Hi guys,
This is my Mima.
this is Arella for today's video.
Kwentuhan.
Okay, for today's kwentuhan,
My favorite is that.
yeah, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is.
Totally, I have 2 million IQ.
Ano may ginagawa mo? Wala. Lalaro siya ng kanyang slime.
Ay!
Okay, here's the question. If you were a teacher and could teach your students anything at all, what would you teach them?
Science!
You want them to teach a science subject. Why you like science? What do you know about science ba?
Volcano eruption, the parts of the flower, body organs.
Okay. So, pag nag-teacher pala si Arella, specialty or specialize niya ang science subject.
Ikaw?
Ako, well, honestly naman, parang naalala ko nung ako'y
Bata.
bata, elementary days, I'm very interested also in science subject.
But you want to be a teacher in science.
No. I'm not in, I don't want, it's not that I want to be a teacher, pero parang interested ako pag science teacher na yung nagtuturo. Tapos yung pag science subject na yung pinag-aaralan. Okay.
But you want to be a teacher of math.
No, I don't want to be a teacher.
Filipino.
Siguro pag mag-teacher ako, MAPE. So I can teach sports.
Te, marunong Chinese garter. Ano?
Hindi naman po sports and Chinese garter. Ano ka ba?
Hard.
Okay, so ayun ang gusto ni Arella ituro sa kanyang mga students.
Ikaw mga bata, alam ko na mga iba math, mga iba reading and literacy. Hindi mo alam ang reading and literacy, kami lang.
Reading or Filipino, ayaw mo? Just science.
Filipino nga! Wait, wari kang sarili. Ano?
Oh, mga ganun talaga.
Mahirap ng Tagalog.
Nahihirapan siya sa Tagalog. Pero marunong naman na siya
Pag mahaba.
Nakakabasa na siya ng Tagalog, ng mahahaba ng words. So,
Siya ay buntis.
Ano yun?
Tagalog word. Siya ay buntis.
So, mo naman nabasa yun? Nakalagay ba yun sa book?
Hindi.
Oh.
I just think of a word in Tagalog. Sige, say a word in Tagalog in English.
Magbigay ka ng isang pangungusap na maganda naman.
Okay. Give me a English word and I will translate it.
Sige. Mag-English ako. Ako mag-English.
Tapos ako magta-translate.
Okay po.
Kunyari ako si Google.
Okay.
Sa
It's
tanong,
fun to be in the beach.
masaya. Ano sabi mo ulit?
It's fun to be in the beach.
Masaya sa dagat.
Pwede naman.
Pwede.
Pwede na.
Eh, beach. Eh, nasa dagat ka eh.
Tama nga.
Minsan
Tama
nasa
naman.
dagat ka. Eh, di ba?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Ang paborito kong prutas ay mangga.
Very good.
Next. Mahirap na talaga.
Science tayo Ba't napunta tayo sa English
Ewan ko.
Tagalog?
Science naman. As for
Pero okay na yan.
Science na. Science
So, yun ang gusto nung
Science.
ituro ni Rela kung siya ay magiging
Give
teacher.
me a question.
Science subject.
Give me a question in science. The one
Okay
you
na yan.
don't know. The one you don't know. Sasagutin
Well,
kita.
that's all for tonight.
Just give me a science question.
A very smart.
Just give me one. One na lang.
Wait lang.
One lang.
Science. What are the part of the tree?
3 parts of the body.
Tree. Puno. What's the part of the tree? Sige nga.
Wait. Flower te. Roots. Fruits. Flowers. vegetables, pwede naman. Minsan mga vegetables.
Pero it's not part of the
Yeah, I
tree.
know. Seed! Seed.
Hindi.
Seed.
No. Mm.
Petals.
Flowers na you're talking about flowers na tree. It's, di ba, una to. Hindi ko rin sure pero pag-aaralan nyo rin naman sa science roots, trunk,
Sa
trunk,
katawan yun.
no, yung katawan niya, trunk nga.
Hindi, sa katawan
Tapos branches,
yun. Tree yun.
leaves, those are the part of the tree.
I
Pero sige mamaya, i-google natin yun.
Give me math.
Okay na yun.
Marunong
Okay,
na ako
yun
sa
ang
division.
sagot ni Rel. As she
Division
wants
One division lang.
to teach her students science subject. Well, okay. Yeah, thank you for answering me, Rela, and thank you for watching our video. Bye.
Bye.
God bless.